Good morning children, this is Latha and welcome to class 6 general maths class. So children, what we are doing, we discussed in the last classes the properties of whole number. Is it not children? I hope you are doing well, you are practicing the properties. Is it now? You must utilize your time wisely, time is very important. Okay, so let's start today's topic. We were discussing what? Whole numbers. What is our second chapter? Whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? All the counting numbers which starts from 0 are called whole numbers. Whole number set is denoted by capital W. There are infinite number of whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0 and the largest last whole number cannot be determined. Okay now children? Then we discussed properties. Why we are reading the properties? To understand the numbers in better way. Is it or not? So properties of whole numbers also we discussed. Now today we are going to do some sums based on the properties. Okay. So you can see the board. First question. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. You have to rearrange, means the numbers are given. This is a question C. 196 plus 57 plus 4. This is a question. Here some numbers are added. Okay, the added form is given. You have to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. You have to rearrange and you have to use the property to find the sum. You can't, you may thinking what is this, you can add, no, directly you can add the three numbers. No, not like that. You have to use the properties. You have to rearrange the numbers and you have to use properties and then find the sum. So let's do, okay, solution. So see children, 196 plus 57 plus 4. So can I write like this, 196 plus 4 plus 57? Is it or not? How, what property we have? We have a property, is it or not? What is that? Commutative property. Commutative property. According to commutative property, what children? A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2 also 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. A plus B equal to B plus A. This is a commutative property. So that only I did. What I did, I just exchanged 57 plus 4. I wrote 4 plus 57. There is nothing wrong. Okay now. Next, we what can do here next? 196 plus 4 can take under bracket plus 57. So what property I used here? Think it. We have this property, associative property. Associative property. Is it or not children? According to associative property, what? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Is it or not? A plus B plus C, in the sum of A plus B you add C, or in the sum of B plus C you add A. You will get the same sum only. This thing only I did. Okay, 196 plus 4 plus 57. So 196 plus 4 we can find easily. 196 plus 4 what? 200. 200 plus 57 is equal to 257 is your sum. Okay now children. So what we did here, see children, we rearranged the number. Numbers are here like this. We rearranged them, used the property to find the sum. Very easy manner. So here we use the combination of commutative property and associative property to solve the sum. Clear children? Like this questions are there in the exercise. I'll give the exercise as a work. You must try that sums. Next question. Question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Same type question, but here you have to find product. by suitable rearrangement. You have to find product. Okay. See children, once again you see we can exchange this two. Is it or not? 5 into 9 into 2. Can I write 2 into 9? There is nothing problem. Okay. What is our motto? Our motto is see 5 into 2, 10. Easily we can get. Here also 196 plus 4, 200. 200 we then add 57 to 57. So by seeing the question, this question only you must first plan. Okay, seeing the question only you have to plan how which two number we have to bring together. Okay, so 196 plus 4, 200 is there. So you have to plan like that and you have to do. Here also 5 into 2, 10. Easily we can do. So what you have to plan? 2 into 9, 9 into 2. What we are doing? Commutative property. A into B equal to B into A. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 also 6. So commutative property. Okay. So next into 2 into this 2 we will exchange. 3 into 5 equal to 5 into 3. Okay. We exchange this 2 and this 2. Which property used? Commutative property. Okay children. So here we used commutative property. Now next give the brackets. 5 into 2 first multiply, okay, into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. So here which property we are using? Here we are using like this, say associative property. Here commutative for addition, here commutative for multiplication. Here associative for addition, here associative for multiplication. Okay. So here associative property. Okay children, associative property. Now find the sum. 5 into 2, 10 into 9 into 5 to the 10 into 3. Okay. So 10 into 9, 90 into 10 into 3, 30. 9 into 3, 27. So it is 2700 is your answer. Clear children? Understood now? Please note down this. I hope you are writing. Once again I will say, pause the video when you are writing the notes from the board. Pause the video, write completely, then continue the video. Neatly give the subject, date, time, chapter name, exercise number, question numbers, okay, and write neatly, maintain your notes. Clear? After reopening, we will check your notes. So, write down this. So, see children, the next question is find. Here you have to find, see, 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. Okay. See, once again, observe the question. 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. What is common? You can see here 368, 368. This completely is one term. 368 into 12 is one term plus 18 into 368 is a second term. This is one term, this is one term. Both the terms are added. So in the first term 368 is there, second term also 368 is there. So 368 you can take common. 368 take common into what is left in first term? 12 plus in second term 18. Okay. So what is this? Which property? Distributive property. This is distributive property. Is it not children? In distributive property only we are doing like this. Okay. A into B plus C into A. A is common, take A common into B plus C. Is it? Same thing we did here. 368 into 12 plus 18. How much? It is 30. Okay, now find the product. 368 into 30. It's 11,040. Clear, children? Next question, see question number 2, fourth, find the product. Here 12 into 75. You have to use the property, you should not multiply directly. You have to use property here. So how can you use property? 12 into 75, 12 into 75. Can I write 70 plus 5? 75. 75 plus 70 plus 5, 75. Now again here we can use distributive property. Is it now distributive property? In short, we are saying what is actually distributive property of distributive law or distributive property of addition over multiplication. Is it or not? Next, A into B plus C. How to write? A into B plus A into C. 12 into 70 plus 12 into 5. 12 into 70 how much? 840 plus 60. So 840 plus 60 how much? 900. Okay. So we got the product 900. Is it no, children? Please note down this. Which property we are using? Distributive property. Here A into B plus C, A into B plus A into C, A into B plus A into C. Okay. Write down. Please write down. So see children, now we see one word problem for the properties. See, question is, a milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning. A milk vendor supplies how much quantity of milk? 56 liters. 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening. Okay, every day, morning and evening. Morning 56 liters milk and evening 44 liters milk. If the milk costs 30 rupees per liter, 1 liter milk cost 30 rupees. Once again, morning, evening, milk supplies every day. Morning 56 liter and evening 44 liters, and 1 liter milk cost is 30 rupees. How much money he gets per day? One day how much money he will get? Okay, so for this what you have to find? You have to first see the total quantity of milk he supplies every day, one day. You have to find the amount he gets every day, one day, per day means one day how much amount he is getting. So you have to check first how much quantity of milk he supplies one day. So quantity of milk supplies every day, morning 56 liters. Okay, this morning 56 liter and evening 44 liters. Okay, now so total quantity of milk supplies 56 plus 44 liters of milk. Now cost of 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk cost how much? 30 rupees per liter. Okay. Next, total cost of milk supplies every day to hostel. You have to find for one day what is the total cost he is getting. So how much amount of milk, quantity of milk he supplies in one day? That is 56 plus 44 liter. 1 liter cost is 30 rupees. Then this much quantity of milk cost is this into 30. Is it not? Is it clear? Total how much milk he supplies for one day? 56 plus 44. This is the total quantity. Total quantity of milk into 30 rupees is a rate. 1 liter milk costs 30 rupees. So now we can use the property, distributive property we can use, no children? A plus B into C. A into C plus B into C. 56 into 30 plus 44 into 30. So directly you can multiply very easily 1680, 1320. Okay, now these two you add, you will get 3000 rupees. So when you use this property very easily without taking the help of rough, you can do it calculation in your mind. Okay now children, so today we discussed some questions based on the properties of whole numbers. I'll give the exercise, you must try that sums. Okay, I hope you are following my class, and if any doubt is there, I will say please see the video minimum 2 to 3 times. Just once seeing the video is not at all enough. You had to see 2 to 3 times, you had to see the video, and then you have to try the sum. I am seeing that some of you are not at all watching completely video. You had to watch the video, and not only once, minimum 2 to 3 times full you had to watch the video. See children, we are getting that how many students are watching and how many are not watching. So this is for you only, this is all we are doing for you only. Okay, so you must see the class completely and practice it. Thanks for watching.